In the early hours of Wednesday, inside the high walled confines of the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA investor ceremony, a single promotion has ignited a firestorm that threatens to engulf the nation's legal and political landscape. President Emerson Mnangagwa is officially elevated his twin son, Sean Mnangagwa, to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel, a move that veteran constitutional lawyers have branded as unconstitutional, null, and void. Zarapina mashukano branyo kapangwa inoi, as Sean Mnangagwa's promotion is unconstitutional, null, and void. Leave that to VP Chwenga. Veteran lawyers tell ED not to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The promotion, which places the 39-year-old officer in the 6th highest tier of the military hierarchy, is not merely a family milestone. It is being viewed by seasoned observers as a decisive coup-proofing maneuver in a high-stakes game of political chess. The elevation comes at a critical juncture for Zimbabwe, as the president aggressively pushes for a constitutional amendment to extend his rule to 2030, a plan that has reportedly deepened a rift between the executive and a faction of the military elite loyal to Vice President Chwenga. The legal challenge to this promotion has been swift and uncompromised. Professor Lavu Maduku, a renowned constitutional law expert and veteran lawyer, has stated that the president's direct involvement in his son's elevation is a flagrant violation of constitutional principles. President Mnangagwa is not legally powered to do what he has done. The promotion is null and void. He must leave that to his VPs. Professor Maduku told reporters. He argued that the president was under a legal obligation to rescue himself due to a blatant conflict of interest. You are conflicted, so you would have to leave that sort of decision to a vice president. That is why vice president exists. If there is a conflict of interest, the law requires that decision be taken by someone else who would ordinarily perform the functions of that office in the absence of the president, Maduku explained. Doma developments aripo pankwa inoi chiona malo experts achizviramba pena comment section medu of gray marudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Now subscribe or like our channel, turn the bell icon.